Actually, we would.
Okay.
You want me to slap you with my nub?
That's the point.
Damn.
These are nail proof. That's why we're using them.
Fine.
Okay, round 4. Fight. Come on now. Oh shit.
I can feel it.